Today we are tackling a common struggle in the fitness world, which is fitness plateaus. If you've ever felt like you're stuck in your progress or you just can't move forward, then this video is for you. We will be diving into how to overcome these plateaus and keep progressing towards your goals. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amanda and my channel is all about mindset and self-help, where we discuss all things becoming your most confident self. First, let's talk about what a fitness plateau is. It's that frustrating moment when you stop seeing progress, whether it's in weight loss, strength gains, or endurance. It can happen to anyone regardless of your fitness level. But don't worry, it's normal. It's part of the journey, and there are ways to break through it. Here are 5 science-backed information on why weight loss plateau happens. Metabolic adaptation. You lose weight, your body requires fewer calories to maintain its new weight. This can lead to a slower metabolism, making it harder to continue losing weight. Weight loss can sometimes lead to a reduction in muscle mass, which is metabolically active tissue. Less muscle means a lower resting metabolic rate, which further contributes to plateaus. People often underestimate their calorie intake or overestimate their calorie expenditure, leading to a smaller calorie deficit than intended. Weight loss can affect hormones that regulate hunger and metabolism, such as leptin and ghrelin, potentially increasing appetite and decreasing energy expenditure. Fluctuations in water weight can mask fat loss, making it seem like progress has stalled even when fat loss is still occurring. How do you know if you're in a plateau? Here are some signs to look out for. You're lifting the same weight week after week without any increase. Your body measurements or weight have not changed in a long time. You feel less excited about your workouts and may even dread going to the gym. Now let's get into the good stuff. How to break through those plateaus. Here are my top strategies on how to do this. Change your routine. Your body adapts to the same workouts over time. So try switching up your exercises by increasing weights or changing your rep range. For example, if you usually do 3 sets of 10 reps, try 4 sets of 8 reps with heavier weights. Sometimes plateaus can be linked to your diet, depending on how much weight you have lost. Also depends on how much food to eat less of. For example, if you lost 70 pounds, you definitely need to reassess your calories and look at the foods you're eating. If you only lost 20 pounds, focus on improving your insulin response. So we need to look at our hormonal balance instead of looking into our calorie intake.
One way to help with this is by incorporating intermittent fasting of some sort. There are all types of levels to try, but I recommend doing baby steps and start out small and working your way up. You can also try adding in more protein to your diet, as well as adding more fiber. Rest days are crucial. Incorporate active recovery days with light activities like yoga or walking to help your muscles recover and grow. Reassess your goals. Instead of focusing solely on weight loss, set performance-based goals like running a certain distance or lifting a specific weight. Consistency is key. Even when progress feels slow, keep showing up. Remember, fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. When you come up with a new plan to tackle your plateau, keep on it for 2 weeks at least to see any improvements. Sometimes you will be able to see improvements within the first week. Staying motivated during a plateau can be tough. Here are some tips to keep your spirits high. Having someone to share your journey with can keep you accountable and motivated. Find someone at work, school, a family member, or a friend to stay motivated with. There are also other ways, such as forming a workout group in your neighborhood or your community. Acknowledge your progress, no matter how small. Did you lift a little heavier, or did you get all of your steps in for the day? Celebrate it. Reward yourself to keep your mind in good spirit. Create a vision board or keep a journal to remind yourself of why you started and also where you want to end up at. I like to keep mine visible as a reminder daily, and this is a really good motivator.
Remember, plateaus are a normal part of the fitness journey, and they can be frustrating, but they also provide an opportunity for growth and learning. So by implementing these strategies, you can break through and keep progressing towards your goals. As always, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fitness tips. Share your plateau experiences in the comments below. I love to hear how you overcome them. Until next time, keep pushing forward. Bye.